Arthur. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. You guys, today is going to be my top fave products that I've been rocking with for the past 11 years in my natural hair journey. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So you guys, these products I feel like have been the ones that have been just a staple that has helped me retain my length, that has moisturized my hair, my low porosity hair in all trends. In all phases of my hair. I feel like these products have been true to my damaged hair, my broken off hair, my bald hair, like this bald hair. These products have literally been here for me in all stages of my hair. So the first product that I have to give hands down to, you guys probably already know if y'all been here for a long time, has been Mane and Tail. I think I'm gonna find pictures and put them up on the screen for y'all. It's been Mane and Tail because I don't even have all these products no more because I've been doing a lot of DIY products. I'm not even gonna lie, but I rock with Mane and Tail. Like, Mane and Tail is always in my cabinet. I have to have Mane and Tail conditioner. One thing that I have not tried has been the Mane and Tail shampoo. I probably should try the shampoo, but I never tried the shampoo, and I just tried the deep conditioner probably a couple of months ago. But the Mane and Tail conditioner is multi-uses for my natural hair. Like, it's a leave-in conditioner, or it can also act as a regular conditioner, and I love that about Mane and Tail. But I have started making my own leave-in conditioners, and I'm trying to get that formula right and down pat for my hair, so I can probably switch up using Mane and Tail. But Mane and Tail is in the pet department, and I have to always have Mane and Tail conditioner in my cabinet. So that is my first staple product. Like, I've been using, like I said, these products that I'm using have been in my routine for 11 years. So Mane and Tail has to be the first one. The second product that I absolutely love is the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I had just probably a couple of years ago found the argan oil leave-in conditioner, and I love the argan oil better than the original, but I don't ever really see the argan oil leave-in Cantu conditioner that often, so I still just opt out for the original formula. But when I'm wanting to do slick buns, or wanting my hair to be super moisturized, or if I just want to get a thick leave-in conditioner that I know that it's fluffy, it's thick, it's cheap, I don't have to worry about the price, it's not as runny as Mane and Tail, then I will grab that Cantu leave-in conditioner. I don't mind the smell. The smell is okay, but I really enjoy using the Cantu leave-in conditioner because it's a lot more creamier than the Mane and Tail. So it just depends on, in the Cantu leave-in conditioner really isn't that thick of a formula. It's a lot thicker than the Mane and Tail. Is not more of a liquid, but the Cantu has a thicker consistency, but it's not a thick paste on your hair. I hope that makes sense. I have been rocking with Mane and Tail. I love how moisturized it leaves my hair, and like I said, for Mane and Tail, the bottle is probably, it bounces between $4.50, $4.60 to about $6.50. And then the the leave-in Cantu bottle ranges probably between $4. It stays around the $4 range. So with the amount of hair that I have, those are great products that I can grab, and I know that I don't have to feel like I'm using too much because of the price, and I can use these products I can get a month's worth of use out of these products, and for $5 or $7, that's pretty good. So the next products that I love to use, which you guys have heard me say a lot, has been olive oil. Olive oil is so easy to grab at the grocery store. I can get the big old 64-ounce container, and that lasts me for months and months and months and months on end. Let me show y'all. I literally use this olive oil. This is baby. Oh, this is 3 liters. I thought it was 64 ounces. Yes, this is baby. This is the conditioner, the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil that I use. This has to be in my hair routine. Yeah, that has to be in my hair routine. Like, if anything else, I have to have that oil. And if I don't want the olive oil smell, then I will opt out for grapeseed oil. And then if I can find it, if I go to a hair store, I really love to use jojoba oil, but jojoba oil is more expensive, and like I said, for the amount of hair that I have, I really try to find products that have either a lot of ounces in it for a good price, or yeah, pretty much. But that is the oil that I absolutely love using, is those 3 oils. But my first one that I've always grabbed has been olive oil. So the next staple product that I love to use, but I don't get it that often because, for one, I don't style my hair that often, and I use these products mainly when I'm styling my hair. And because, like I just said, I don't style that often, I don't buy them that often. But if I know that I want to style my hair, is As I Am products. I don't get flakes, I don't get buildup, my hair never feels gunky or disgusting after a couple of days. I don't feel like the smell is overpowering. But the only suck part is, for how small the bottle is and how much hair I have, I literally can only get maybe 2 uses out of it. And that's with me being very cautious about how much product I'm actually putting in my hair. So if I'm like really just getting my hair fully saturated, like using not just a little dime size amount and using the amount of product that I need, I will probably only get 1 use out of it and need to buy another bottle. I will have like this much left and need to buy another bottle to like continue the whole hair process situation. But I absolutely love like the entire line of As I Am. Like, that is the only line that I have to say that I've used the shampoo, conditioner, double buttercream, the jelly, the hair jelly. I haven't used the new As I Am products, but literally I have used the original, and I just keep going and grabbing the original because it just meshes and works so well in my hair. Absolutely love the entire original As I Am products, and I have to say that now because they've expanded so much. When I first started, they only had like the original brown bottle, and I am gonna have pictures up on the screen for you guys, but they only had the original little brown bottle, and now they got so many different other lines or products. Like, I haven't even went and tried them because as they've grown, my hair has grown, and I'm just kind of like, oh bro, am I really fit to spend like maybe, I think the bottle is like $10 for an 8 ounce. I don't know. I just be like, y'all know I'm frugal. I'm frugal, but because I know that my hair love it, if I'm styling my hair, I'll go out and I spend it. Like, I do spend it, but I don't style my hair that often. But I absolutely love the cold wash, and especially if I know that I need like a good cold wash, I will go out and spend that $12 or whatever on, I think it's $12 or $13. And then also I try to find it on discount too. Like, I'll go to either Walgreens and they have a lot of buy one get one half off, and I'll buy like the As I Am products. That way if it's like buy one get one half off, so that always works out best because I have so much hair. Like, I'm not tripping about the price of it all. It's only the price of it all because I have so much hair. When I first became natural, I didn't mind because I could get a month's worth out of that container, and I think it's just knowing that I can't get a month's worth out of the product. That's what kind of, I don't like to go to the store that much either, y'all. Like, ugh. So yeah, y'all, I love As I Am, but because of the size, it's just kind of like, ooh, like my hair got longer and thicker. So I mean, that's not As I Am's fault. That's just like, you know, it's just blessed with a nice mane. But anyways, the next product that I love and that has been in my regimen since day one has been apple cider vinegar rinses. Back in the day, I used to use a lot of gels and eco styler gels in my hair, and I noticed that the only thing that got my scalp and my hair fully clarified, fully clean, has been the apple cider vinegar rinses. And hands down, my hair feels clean. It don't feel stripped. It doesn't feel brittle after I use the apple cider vinegar rinses. So having apple cider vinegar has been a staple in my hair regimen. Which the next thing has been Aussie. So Aussie Moist, I love the conditioner, and they have very good prices for big bottles, but because I use Mane and Tail so much, it almost replaced Aussie Moist conditioner. But I love Aussie, and I love the way that it smells. I need to try to find like an Aussie Moist leave-in conditioner, because I only use like the Aussie Moist conditioner like consecutively. Like I've just tried like the whole Aussie Moist curls line, and I absolutely love that entire line. Like, you guys, this video is not sponsored either, but I'll absolutely love like that entire curls line or coils line, the miracle coils or whatever. Like, absolutely love it. But because my Mane and Tail does so many things in one, it's a conditioner and it's a leave-in conditioner, because I haven't found Aussie product that did, like, maybe they have it now, but I just haven't went to the store to focus to see if they have like a conditioner that's a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. But I love the way that Aussie Moist smells, and also the product is very moisturizing, and I really enjoy using Aussie Moist for the price point and how big the bottle is for how much hair I have. Like I said, it's just I grab Mane and Tail more because I know that I can leave it in my hair, but I should probably check out Aussie to see if they have a leave-in conditioner that can act as two. So my next product is actually Black African soap. I've been using Black African soap if I'm trying to clarify my hair. Like, I've already given you guys a cold wash clarifying tool, which is the apple cider vinegar. And now if I need to clarify my hair with a soap or a shampoo, then it's always mainly Black African soap. It can go a long ways. Like, you can cut it up, dilute it with water, and you can have a bar of Black African soap for a while, and your hair will feel completely stripped and clean. But the only suck thing about the Black African shampoo or soap is you have to go in with a deep conditioner. After that, obviously, because it was a clarifying shampoo, you need to put all of that nutrients, all of them oils and stuff back in your hair and seal that moisture back in after you've thoroughly cleaned your scalp. But I've been rocking with Black African soap for a long time. And then the last honorable mentions have to be like my DIYs. I know the apple cider vinegar is a DIY. The black soap is almost kind of like a DIY, but I'm talking about like my banana and egg treatments, my mayo, banana and eggs, my banana and avocado treatment, my eggs and honey treatment, my eggs and mayo treatment, my eggs, mayo and mustard treatment. Those treatments have been hands down super good for my hair when I'm needing a deep conditioner and I don't want to go to the store and get it. I have been consistently using those home remedy treatments, and my hair actually has flourished and has grown a lot from doing a little bit of DIYs followed in with using like the staple products that I just mentioned to you guys. So, and now that I've learned more about formulating, I've been testing and making my own products. So I've been really trying to customize products that actually work for my hair more than just the simple DIYs. I've been like really formulating and trying to get into like what emulsifiers and all of these little different formulas is to make a really good moisturizing leave-in conditioner spray or leave-in conditioner, or making a multi-use cream that can do a lot of things in one, so you don't have to like grab for different products. Like that's what I've really been working on and trying to make right now. So you guys, those have been my favorite products for 11 years, the past 11 years. And I will honestly, even when I make my own product, I will still go and grab these products. I do want to give some honorable mentions that just popped up, like that I absolutely love, which have to be the main, the Melanin Hair Care line, which is Natural 85. Absolutely love that line. She was only selling online at the time, and now she's in Ulta, but I don't go into Ulta. Like, Ulta is a makeup store, but if I really wanted her product again, like, I will most definitely go to Ulta to buy her product. And for the price point and the size of the bottle, I am really good with that. Like, I'm good with going to get that product for the price point because it's big and I don't have to go out and go and get, literally her, which is empty. This oil is 8 ounces and I think it's like $16. I'm not sure how much the price is. I forgot. And then this is her double buttercream, and it is so this is 8 ounces. I'm not sure if I said 8 or 16, but this double buttercream long exfoliating cream, it's 16 ounces, and I think this is like $16 or $18. But because it's 16 ounces, I don't run out of it that fast, and because it's like $16 or something like that, it's not stuck in that awkward, like, oh, it's like As I Am. It's like, it's $10 or $12 for only 8 ounces. But with this product being 16 ounces for only $4 more, I will opt out and buy this one because you get more for your money. I hope that makes sense. Like, I hope that really makes sense. It's a bigger container, so I can use it a little bit longer versus only having an 8 ounce jar that I know I'm only going to probably get one use out of it. So with this jar, because I don't style my hair too frequently and it's not like a leave-in conditioner or something like that, yeah, so I don't just use it that much. So I don't run out of it that often. So that is most definitely an honorable mention because I haven't been using it like my entire natural hair journey, but because she just came out with it, I absolutely love it, and I absolutely love the bigness and for the price point of it all. Like, I am so here for it. So yeah, you guys, those are my staple hair products. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave comments down below. Let me know what your staple hair products are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.